Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video to watch and hope to enjoy.
Hey babe. Subscribe.
Okay, so many of you guys asked if I could do like an updated piercing video, and here's what I got. I don't really have so many updated piercings, but I've got obviously new jewellery in, and you guys wanted me to do like kind of a updated jewellery, or what jewellery do you wear. So I'm literally going through all my jewellery, and obviously that includes like piercings that I've got. I'm not really going to do this in any particular order because honestly I've had my piercings for like the longest time. I don't remember like the rest of the order that I got all my piercings in, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of just start from the top, I guess, and show you guys what jewellery I also have as well, and that I also regularly wear. So first off, I have my piercings here. So I have this one here, which is a forward helix, I think, and I literally just have the jewellery that I had it pierced with. Like, I haven't actually changed this out yet, even though like I probably could, but I don't want to risk it. I don't know, I literally get a bit freaked out when it comes to changing jewellery, but literally I will link below like some really similar ones on Amazon for you guys if you didn't want to shop. Then moving on to my Dave, I got that pierced. It is a Dave, isn't it?
A few moments later.
I think so. So I got this dive pierced here with a little heart, and it's silver. Yeah, that's my original one as well. Super cute. I feel like this would be hard to change out though. This is why like I haven't really changed it out. But I do eventually kind of want to have like gold piercings, and I really do like gold at the moment. A lot of my jewellery is silver already, so I need to like switch it up. I have my thirds, seconds and firsts. Starting my thirds, these are actually just Primark earrings. If you guys shop at Primark, you'll know that they literally swap and change all the time what jewellery they've got. The first ones on both of these, I've got my Vivienne Westwood earrings, which I'll link below. I want to get some smaller gold ones, but these are just like the massive silver. I forgot what they're called. They'll be linked below for you guys. Second and first again on there are Primark ones, which I'll link some ones again below. My Traeger's here, pretty sure I got from Claire's. And then I have this one here, which is my... oh my god, I don't even know what this piercing's called. The one that goes through here. No, this one's from Claire's. This one that goes through here. I did change that up. Oh my god, my top one's fallen out. What the I didn't even realise that. Had fallen out. I don't even know when that fallen out. God, I'm sweating. What? Time out. I'm going on to my nose. So I've got both of my noses pierced here at the side. And I do actually have two Claire's hoops. These are just like the black ones, pretty sick. I do also have a septum piercing. So this is my septum piercing. I haven't actually changed this from the original one I got this with, only because I don't really wear it that much now. I want to change this to kind of like a black hoop as well. I do wear a Vivienne Westwood necklace normally, but I've actually taken it off and then I've actually lost it. It's somewhere around the house, I just literally don't know. But I will link the one below. It literally matches these ones here. I feel like it's coming to the end of its life though, because I've literally worn the out of it. Moving on to my hands, I have this ring from Pandora. I'll link it below if it's still available. Henry bought me this. It's kind of a rose coloured gem bit, and then it says you and me on that side there, which is super cute. Then I bought myself this silver one with all the hearts on, and because I used to like stacking rings or like putting them on my thumb. Henry also bought me this one when I said that I wanted to start buying gold jewellery from Pandora as well, which is obviously going to be linked below. My new kind of fave at the minute I bought myself. This ring is actually from a small business on Instagram called Lijo. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Their jewellery, guys, is so good. I'm absolutely in love with this. Like the silver gems and then the gold on the outside, which I think is beautiful. Going back to kind of my nose jewellery, because a lot of you guys are interested in what jewellery I switch it up to. I've got the two black hoops in. It's in two gorgeous 0.6mm. All my nose jewellery is from Claire's. I have the two silver ones that I like to switch up on and put them on both sides. And then I also have one here, just a little silver stud that I like to put in if I'm having my septum down, because I don't like to have two hoops in at the same time. Now, pain of my piercings. First, honestly, like a 1, I can't even remember getting them done. Did not hurt. Second, probably about a 1 as well. Say third, hurt a little bit more, about a 3. Obviously getting more back up to the cartilage. My knife, 8, that literally hurt quite a lot, along with this one. My forward helix, a 7/8. This one would probably be about a 4. That did hurt quite a lot. The after pain hurt of this one sleeping on. This one I would say a 4/5. Then going on to this one, about a 7. For my nose, honestly, that was like a 4. Like, if you guys want to go and get that done, I suggest you go and get it done. And then my septum one, I'd probably say was about 6, 7. That one did obviously hurt more than these two. One piercing that I haven't actually spoke about, which is my belly button. I actually have my belly button pierced anymore, but there is a nice scar left there. My body just rejected it. Just doesn't like jewellery in my stomach. Jewellery just basically fell out. I've hurt about a 10. Not so much a piercing, but all the like bit after, like trying to get it to heal and it wasn't healing, it was catching and everything. So I don't know. Hope this helps, and everything will be linked below that I can try and find something very similar. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.